Okay, this right here is an MEGIC burner, right? Where's that? MEG54P. This is the inside of the panel, right? We got the E110 relay, right? Then we got our 2 time delays, right? Then we have our PB relay. I forget what this is for. Somebody on the comments tell me. Okay, then we have your changeover switch. This is for gas and oil, right? Then you have your blower line starter. That's for your blower. Then you got your compressor, right? And then you got your oil pump, right? And this transformer right here is for your mom motor. That tells me that the mom motor is probably old because they're supposed to have transformers in them now. But this one is here because this one is probably, yeah, look at this. This is old. This is an old one. You got your metering pump. What is it? A 42. A 42. What kind of pump? 40 pump. It's a 40 pump with a 42 pin. This is a direct compressor. Because it goes direct. Look at that. We're gonna need to change the thing on that one. We're gonna need to change that. Yep, we're gonna have to change that. Oh. Gas and oil. Switch. Once you switch this, that's what that does. Now we're waiting for the 2-minute delay because we just switched over. But let's take a look at this thing over here. What's going on here?